Kain na yan. Yes.
Oh, good luck for the sir. Everyone's doing that?
Sir.
You're right.
Jody, you salute to Lola. Come on.
Oh.
Ang tugaw ka.
Adong tigara bidag na, gugugasak yan sa katigida.
I don't think I can handle this.
Wala, dito naman tayong dalawa.
All the girls are here. All the girls are here.
Girls.
Ang tugaw.
Sila muna ang kauntahan mo dahil tayo
I
oras
can't
sa oras.
handle this. I can't handle this.
Ang tugaw ka na.
Mommy, I can't.
Every time.
Okay.
I am here.
We. We. We.
Sabi mo sa kanila kung kailan ka uuwi.
Oo nga. Sabi natin, nasa ka ng pamasahe mo. Oh, tanda mo yan.
Kasi hindi tinitignan ko yung magbabantay.
Sino magbabantay? Kapalit mo. Nagpaalam ka na? May pasis ka?
Hindi kaya nga inaano ko yung araw dahil dalawang araw kay Ate. Dalawang araw kay John. Pagkatapos Friday at saka Kwan. Nag-ano daw. Kaya sabi ko, na lang ako. Kailan mo yung kumanag, sabi.
Sino? Sino tungwam? Sino tungwam?
Let's play hide and seek.
Wait na.
Oy,
Lola is teaching a story.
Pagkain yan.
Sino nga?
Ah,
Ni Pat.
Oy, Christine, pag-alas Christine, di pa kumakain.
Ano pa
Labanan ni Pat. Labanan ni Pat.
Kinakain ba nung alas 10? Alas 10.
Pinakain ka
Ay, sa bagay.
Labanan nga rin ni Pat.
Tita, ano sabi niya? Napanam.
Saan ka nagpunta? Sabi daw sa kanya.
Sino?
Ewan ko kung sino yun.
I'm ashamed to approve.
Why? Who?
Kanina pa yan mamang ha? Sino yan?
High five.
Ah, very
Your
high
boyfriend?
family. Your boyfriend. Is that the one you're talking about, Grandma?
Boyfriend.
Who's the boyfriend,
What
Tita?
era?
Johnny.
What era is that?
Sila kay Johnny.
Is it teenager? When you were still teenager?
I don't.
Oh, last Friday only. What,
Last
how old are you?
Friday.
How old are you, ma'am? Hindi niya.
90?
1918.
1918?
So you're 90?
94, Granny. Turning
Four.
95.
Wow! You salute Lola. Lola is 94 years old. Come on. Salute!
Malapit na yung birthday na.
Salute to Lola.
Uy, matigas! Bawal
Snappy,
yung
come on.
food.
Snappy.
Snappy!
There you go.
Oh.
I do it.
You have to salute because he's the
Manang kinatay mo.
strongest girl ever. She's 90 years old.
Concepcion, bravo.
Another meeting again? Oh, this
Kakain daw ng
meeting, ha?
patsit. Ah,
You have to salute. Salute.
tita,
Salute.
kaubos lang yung
Ho!
patsit.
Salute.
Oh, tapos. What do you discuss every Sunday with them?
What did you learn in school this week?
Huh? Huh? What do you tell them? Every Sunday, you're going to meet with them, right? In the church. Ah, okay. You don't like to eat?